Hello guys, this is Gos Power Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to show you review about Revolut. So for those of you who want to use Revolut and you'll be thinking like, how can I know more details about Revolut before I sign up or before I join Revolut? So you need to keep on watching this video. I will show you how you can register on Revolut, and I will show you the type of card that they have, and I will show you things that you can do with this Revolut platform or Revolut app. And I will still show you what you can do with the card, the benefits, and I will still talk about if Revolut is available in all countries. So what you just have to do is to keep on watching, and let me show you step by step how you can start using Revolut from today if you find it useful after watching this video, or if you don't find it useful. For me, I think Revolut is a good credit card, but let us watch it to the end. I will still talk about what I think card or this application which is called Revolut. So let us head over to this application and let me show you step by step how everything about this company Revolut is working. So the first thing you need to know about Revolut is that it's an online banking app. So you use Revolut to do transaction for any transaction you want to do online. Let me say, for example, you want to send money to your friends and family. You can send money to your friends and family, and you can still receive money from your Revolut application. So that is what I want you to understand. And you can still use Revolut to invest in some cryptocurrencies, and you can still use Revolut to buy things online, send things online. You can do a bunch of transactions while you are using Revolut. And they have their MasterCard, which is almost 5 or 4 MasterCard that they have, and they are updating it every single year, I think so. And what I want to let you know on this video is that Revolut is doing an update every time to time, so you cannot really like say that okay, they are going to have a new update of their application by next year or by next 2 years. So it can be in a month, it can be in just 1 week. So once they come up with a good idea of something that can help people in their business or whatsoever they think that is best for them, they can apply into their business, and they'll send that email to everybody that is using their platform about new things that they have updated on their website. So that is what I want you guys to know here. And other thing I want you to be aware of before you use this website or this application, this platform or this online banking application, which is called Revolut, you need to make sure you do your proper review to make sure that you are not falling as a victim while you are using it, or while you're already using the a card or their MasterCard or their Visa card. So it just depends on your decision on this part. So make a better decision if you want to start using Revolut or not. And if you want to use Revolut, or if you want to sign up right now, the link to sign up will be in the description below. So I don't want to continue giving details. So let us go and register on Revolut. That is the first review I want us to go through. Before you register, I want you to still pay attention to everything that I'm saying, so that you know some things that I'm saying. If you follow according to your demand or follow according to what you are looking for about this website or application, which is called Revolut. So let us go to our Google Play Store right now and use this application right now as we. So once you come to your Google Play Store, search for Revolut. So once you search for Revolut, click on search, and it will pop this up. You can see that Revolut have almost 2 million plus review, and it have 10 million plus download. And this is the screenshot they have on their preview on their applications, and that is what you can see here. And if you say okay, let us click on the review and click on OK. So it's going to pop up the review. So I'll just click on Revolut, and here is going to pop up the review. What I want you to do is to look at the review, look at what people are talking about, look at what people are saying about Revolut, and just go through the review about Revolut, what people are saying, so that you get idea, okay, if this application is something you want, what people are saying about it. And two, it's not only what people say about it, you need to use it yourself to see what this application is. You know, people can really like just use this application in a way that is not supposed to be used, and they might fall as a victim, but at the end of the day, they are just they are not using the application according to the policy or what Revolut said. So you need to go through the basic policy and terms of condition and terms and condition. So that is what I want you to pay attention of. So first thing I want you to do now is to register. So to register, like I said, the link to register will be in the description below if you want. So the first thing to register, you need to click on open. So once you click on open, it's going to open this up and it will tell you to log in or sign up. So for this reason, because you are new, you need to sign up. Like I said, don't forget, use the link in the description. So if you want, so click on sign up here. So once you click on sign up, to ask for your phone number, once you enter your phone number, they will send you a message to tell you to download the application. But if you already have the application, you just need to come here, enter your phone number and click on sign up, and it will take you to the next step. We are going to fill up your name, first name, last name, and they will ask for your identity, which can be your passport or your national ID. So use it to verify your account, send it to them, and send it the proof of your address, where the country, the proof of your address, that means where you are living. And once you are done with that, within 24 hours, Revolut is going to verify your account. They are going to send you a congratulation message telling you that you have your account created. So once you have your account created, then the next thing is to log into your own account. So I'm going to log into my own account. So once you log into your account, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see all those whole things here. So what you will see is accounts. You will see add a currency if you want to add currency, exchange currency. If I click on that, it is asking us to verify our account because I have not verified my own account. So here you are going to scroll down here where it goes, where it says transactions. You find all your transaction history here, and at the bottom here you find the analytics of your how much amount you spend and how much you spend per week, per month. You can find everything under the analytics here. And under schedule payment here, you can schedule the type of payment you are making on your Revolut card. And under here you see net worth. Here you are going to see total balance, currency volume. You find the total amount you have on your Revolut account. And if you scroll down here, you find the cash balance, and you find saving, and you find crypto. So like I told you, you can invest money with crypto with just an amount of $1. If I click on get it now, it will take me to the section where you can invest in crypto. If I click on get it, it's going to take us here, and we are going to follow the process of investing, which is what I didn't say that you can do, but I said I will show you that how you can use crypto to make money. That is just it. I don't want to go into details about this because you need to go and do a proper review to see how you can invest in crypto through Revolut. This is not me telling you to do it, but you need to go and do your proper research to know if you want to invest on crypto through Revolut. Make a perfect decision about that. So like I said, the most important purpose of this video is how you can use Revolut. So like I said, you can use Revolut to make online payments, and you can receive money. You can receive payment online too. And let me say, for example, you want to get Revolut card. You need the card. So what you can do here is to click on card. So once you click on card here, you see the section where you say get card. So once you click on get card here, it's going to show you the physical card, and it's going to show you the virtual debit card. So this debit card you are seeing here is a card that you can, the physical one means that you can use this card to pay for something like physical shops, buying things, or withdrawing money from the ATM. That is the physical one. If I click on physical card, it's going to pop this up. It's telling me that I can customize this card according to how I want it to be, and I can choose different card. I can say, okay, I need standard. They have the standard card, they have the mental black card, and they have the plus card, and they have the plus card, which is the Visa card, and the premium space green card, which is the Visa card, and they have this one, which is special edition SDMN standard, which is you can get a lot of things by just using the subscription of this card. So if I say I need this card and I click on get SDMN standard for $12.99, I can get that for just $12.99. I think it's you are going to get this card on your home if you make the purchase right now. So that is what I want to talk about. The card, if you want, you can go and get this card, and on this card you can use them to withdraw money from any ATM close by. So that is what I want you to know about that. And you can upgrade each one of these cards that you can see here, and you can customize it to look exactly to what you want. As you can see here, serialization fees may apply. So which means if you design the card or how you want it, there is amount you can pay for doing that. And if we go back now, let us say you see the second card, which is the virtual debit card. The virtual debit card allows you to receive money and do other activities online if you don't want to use the physical card. If I click on the virtual card, you can see the virtual card. They have the master card, which is virtual card 1, and the virtual card 2. And you can see that the virtual card is free, so you can get the both of them for free. There is one that is virtual card, and there is the other one which is virtual card. The two of them is Mastercard. So you can decide on which one you want to use, and once it is activated, you can start using them to receive money or make some payments online. So that is what I want you to know about. If you click on Revolut Pro, when you click on Revolut Pro here, you can see how much you can make for getting the Pro Revolut card. You can be getting up to 1% cash back from any purchase you made online. Let us say I click on Start now. It's going to publish up because I have not verified my account. That is why it's showing this, and I just need to close this page. So that is what I want you to know about the debit card if you want to use the Revolut card. And like I said, you already know about the virtual card and the debit card. So let us say you want to transfer money. If I click on, you see it at the bottom here, you see this arrow that says transfer. If I click on transfer here you can select the person you want to send money to. You can just come here, select the person and enter the person's email or the card or whatsoever that you want to use to send. You can even scan the person's QR code to access the person information so that you can send money to the person. So that is what I want you to be aware of. Let us say Revolut friends. If I click on all your friends on Revolut, you find them here. Account, all the bank recipients you have added, you find them here. If you want to send money to them, you can just click on them and you send money, bam, the money will arrive on their bank account. And that is how it keeps on going. On card here, you find all the card that you have added. On groups, you find all the groups that you have added. Let me say you have a company, you set up a group of people you are sending money to. You can do that on Revolut, and every single month the money will be wired into their bank account. And if I click on hubs here, with this section where you see hubs, you find a lot of things you can do with Revolut. You can see Revolut card, Pocket, Revolut Pro, and 18 Revolut, and you can see link, and you can see group Bs, and you can see stocks, and you can see commodities, and you can see crypto, you can see vote, you can see donate, you can see gift, you can see insurance, you can see lodge, you can see smart delay, so you can see ATM, you can see shopper. So all those things is added into your Revolut app. So you just need to make sure you go through all of them, see how they work, and like just do your proper review. My review now is just to show you how what you can get from those applications. And let us say, for example, now we want to use anyone here. Let us say this card. If I click on card, it's going to bring us here back again, like on the card, like I showed you before. And if I click on pocket here, it's going to bring us here, say organize your Bs with pocket. So you can organize your Bs, like structure amount you want to be spending per what you are doing. If I click on links here, so here you can say get full visibility of your spending. So here you can set up a link and you have access to everything that you are doing. So, but you have to understand that everything you do have to be managed by you. So that is what I want you to understand here. And with this section where you see crypto, if I click on crypto, like I told you can invest with just $1 on crypto. So this just depends on you, but do your proper research before you use everything that have been said on this video. And if we scroll down here now, let us say we'll scroll down here and you can see that you can donate, you can like send a gift, you can do like a insurance, you can do all those things here. See, get more insurance in one easy bundle, and you can do that on this platform. You can like buy some things online like a flight ticket and all those other things you can say introducing. So I don't want to go into this, but I just want you to know about all these other things. I know you'll be wondering, but is Revolut available worldwide? So let us see if Revolut is available worldwide. So to see that, I will click on my profile here and click on the section where you see help. And here I will search for country. I will just search for country here. And once I search for country, it's going to pop this up. I will click on search. So I'll click on search. Click on country there, and you can see say what country are supported. I click on that. As you can see, say we are currently only supporting legal residents of European Economic Area, and it keeps on going. EEA and Australia, Singapore and Switzerland, Japan, the United Kingdom and United States, and the EEA includes and other country that is below here. And you can see at the bottom, you see we are launching across the world soon, so stay tuned. So they are going to be worldwide soon, so you just need to stay tuned. If they are not available in your own country, just be patient. Revolut might be available soon in your own country. So that is what I want you to be aware of. And there is one thing I still notice on Revolut. When you click on this icon here, you click on the section where they say upgrade. I don't know what they are upgrading to. If I click on that, you will see that Revolut is telling us to upgrade to different plan. They have the mentor plan, and which you can get a credit card on that. And they have other one which is called the premium plan, which you can get credit card through on that one too. And you can get another one which is the plus plan, which you can get $2.99, while the premium plan, which is the $7.99, and the mentor plan, which is $13.99. Those are monthly subscription. If you want to get it, there's different pricing that each one of those plan is getting. So you can have a lot of things by picking different plan from these three subscription that they have on their platform. They have the mentor plan, which you can have exclusive things that is included on this, and they have the premium plan here, which you can have other exclusive things and not everything that is included here. On the plus plan, which is let us call it the startup plan, which you can have a lot of things too, but there's a other thing that is not added to it, and you have the minimum amount you can withdraw from ATM, which is $200 per month. And other one here you can withdraw more, and the other one you can withdraw more, and the mentor plan you can withdraw unlimited, I think. So I just want to say that each plan you pick here, you have interest of everything that you are doing. So that is what I want you to be aware of. So any plan you pick, there is a percentage, there is some things you are going to be getting for using those cards. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video, guys. I will end it from here, and I don't want to keep on talking about this Revolut application or app. So you can go and start using Revolut, and let me know what you think about Revolut in the comment section below. I want to end this video from here, and what I want you to do, if you want to make money with affiliate, you can watch the first video that is popping up right now. If you want to make money with just taking surveys and making money, you can watch the second video. I will see you on my next video on how you can make money online. Peace.